In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Monday.com automation. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your workflows, setting up automations can transform how you manage your projects, ensuring that tasks are executed smoothly and efficiently. To kick things off, let's begin by heading over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click the login button, conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. It's time to enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account, or alternatively you can opt to sign in using your Google account for a streamlined experience. If you go with Google, make sure to select the right email from the list available to proceed into your workspace seamlessly. Once you've made your way into Monday.com, navigate to the board that you want to work with. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where the magic happens. Now, to initiate the automation setup, seek out the Automate button, strategically positioned at the top right corner of your screen. Give it a click and then select Add Custom Automation from the list. This handy feature allows you to tailor your automation to suit your specific needs. As you embark on creating your custom automation, the first thing you'll do is choose a trigger. Click on When this happens to pick an appropriate trigger. You'll see a drop-down menu revealing a variety of trigger options. For illustration, let's go ahead and select Date Arrives so we can trigger an action when a specific date comes around. After selecting your trigger, it's crucial to decide on the necessary conditions. Given the trigger involves a date, you'll want to prompt an action for when that date arrives. Click on the When to configure the date and time settings aptly. We'll also need to specify which column holds the date information we're concerned with. So go ahead and choose the date column for this. Once the trigger is in place, the next step is determining what action should follow. Click on Then Do This and opt for Change Status from the drop-down list. Now, make sure to click Change Status so that it highlights the appropriate status column. At this stage, define the desired outcome by selecting the status change you wish to enact. For our example, let's choose Done to mark tasks complete once their due date is reached. Finally, once everything is set up, all that's left is to click on Create Automation. This final step embeds your custom automation into the board, ensuring your workflow is dynamic and responsive to the triggers and actions you've configured. There you have it. By following these steps, you've just successfully set up an automation on Monday.com. Embrace this newfound efficiency and keep exploring the myriad of options at your fingertips to further optimize your work processes. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.